Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we're gonna open my favorite not subscription box. Not subscription. Trendmood box. This is Trendmood box volume 7. This is not a subscription. You have to go in every single time they announce a box and buy it. And you also pretty much, because it sells out every single time, have to go in on the day that it's released. Because there's always brand new products that aren't even released yet. That's how cool this box is. Sometimes the release is in the box, and there is one such item in this box. That is the reason that I purchased this box, and we'll talk about it as soon as we open it. Actually, while I was like undoing this fluff and stuff, there's two things I noticed. So the first thing is I noticed this Scan Me. So let's scan that. I'm gonna scan it and then I'll let you guys know. So it's like the card you normally get in a box. Did we used to get cards in the Trendmood box? I don't think we ever used to get cards. Did we always get these Scan Me's and I just didn't notice? You guys, I don't know. It tells you exactly how to use it, the price. This even says vegan cruelty-free on it. It's basically like an information card, but online version. The second thing I noticed, and tell me this is not adorable, is that it's full of little fall leaves. That is so cute. And you will be seeing these leaves in all of my flat lay pictures that I will have of my boxes soon on my Instagram. So make sure you go subscribe to my Instagram. Is it subscribe? Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram if you want to see all how I prettily lay out these boxes in case you want to look at it before you come watch one of my videos. If there's something you really want, follow me there, message me there. I'm also very responsive to messages there, whereas like my email and other things, I will get back to you other ways, but Instagram is the best way to reach me. So this box was $63, and the reason that it was worth it to me is I was going to buy one of their star products in it. Either way, like I had already been researching it and I was sure that I was going to buy it either way. And that product's retail value is $42. So no matter what, I was gonna spend $42. Why not get the little extras for an additional $21? That's the way that I saw it. So what is this $42 product that I was willing to spend $42 on before I saw it was gonna be in Trendmood? That will be this Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It has 4 different types of hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid comes in all sorts of types. I've talked about them before. I have studied hyaluronic acid like nobody's business because I'm very obsessed with what it can do. This has 4 different types and 5 different molecular weights using those types. Each molecular weight will go into the dermis or into your skin at different deepnesses. I don't even think deepness is a word. The depth that it can go down into your skin is different depending on the molecular weight. So you could have hyaluronic acid at different levels of your skin, absorbing that moisture at different levels of your skin. I'm a nerd about hyaluronic acid. This product has 4 at 5 different molecular weights. So that to me in itself was like, I have to try this. Glow Recipe is a Leaping Bunny certified company. That means that their entire supply chain has been certified cruelty-free. Let's do a little smell test. I don't know if it's gonna smell like plum. And Glow Recipe has the cutest bottles because they're all different colors. This one is, of course, purple for plum. You know, it could be plum. It has a lightly sweet scent. Like there is a little bit of a fruity scent to it, but it's really not very strong. Some of the other Glow Recipe scents are a little bit strong. I would say this one is very, very light. I'm actually gonna check really quick to see if there's any fragrance on here. Fragrance is the last ingredient, and it also says natural fragrance. Just from the feel on my hand, it feels so thin, like so lightweight, such a silky feel. It does have vegan silk or vegan silk proteins and vegan collagen in it as well. Plum is also a really antioxidant rich fruit, and it's packed with vitamin C. Like it's a very good vitamin C product. The next product is also skincare and is also pretty pricey. This is a $44 product. It's from Boscia. I'm literally editing right now and I practice saying Boscia so many times because I always said it wrong. I've always mispronounced it. We don't pronounce things right on this channel. And I'm watching myself and I'm still saying it wrong, even though I practiced saying it since I ordered my Trendmood box. It's Boscia. Boscia, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Forgive me, Boscia, for mispronouncing it yet again. Old habits die hard. We're learning. And this is their Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% acid complex. So let's look at what kind of acids are in this. It also says all of the good, none of the bad. It's cruelty-free, preservative-free, and there is no artificial fragrance or color. This is a lot of fruit extracts. I see apple, strawberry, blueberry, black currant, a lot of those natural kind of exfoliators that come from fruit. It also has eggplant, cocoa, turmeric, like willow bark extract, jojoba seed extract. There's a lot of really good ingredients in here. It has aloe in here. I love skincare. I'm more excited about the skincare than the makeup in pretty much any box that I get. Will it smell like berries? It just doesn't smell like berries. I was expecting it to have like a sweeter scent, but there is no fragrance in this. There are these little tiny seeds. It looks just kind of like strawberry seeds that are crushed up, in my opinion, for some good exfoliation. Of course, this also has some acids, so 28% acid complex. That's kind of a lot. I wouldn't necessarily say this product is going to be the best for sensitive skin. It's a lot of acids, okay? It has a lot of acids. It has glycolic acid that's really good at exfoliating your dead skin off. It has salicylic acid that's actually really good for cleaning your pores out. So if you have acne prone skin, salicylic acid is great for that. It also has lactic acid, malic acid, and citric acid. So you're pretty much getting all your bases covered in exfoliating that dead skin and getting your bright, nice, shiny new skin underneath out. But if you have extremely sensitive skin, that can definitely be a little bit too harsh for you. I like my skin to have like a revamp all the time. As long as I don't have a lot of breakouts at the time, I usually can do whatever I want to my face and she's fine with it. She does not have any reaction. And just those two products completely paid for the box, but there's more. Next, we have another brand new product. Like literally, when Trendmood announced this, I went to P.Louise website and it was not even on their site yet. This is the P.Louise. It says like boarding pass here. This is honestly the cutest packaging ever. It's a boarding pass. It says first class. You're about to embark on a journey of success. Then it says passenger bad B. Then it says departing from your comfort zone, and to destination success. I love that. Departure time, the time is now. So that is just so cute. Even though this packaging is so cute, honestly, the cutest. I'm not gonna open her up because this is gonna go in my 4K giveaway. This is such a cool thing. I really wish that it didn't have ingredients that I don't use. This one, unfortunately, the liner has beeswax and the lipstick has petroleum-based wax called microcrystalline wax. So we will not be putting this on my lips. Does not mean that it cannot be on your lips, because I know the general population is not as picky as I am when it comes to that. So I'm gonna save this, and it's just so freaking cute though. That one is listed in pounds and it's 16 pounds. Next is a product from Nudestix. My friend Tracy over at Little Makeup Channel, seriously, she's the influencer for Nudestix. She still has them in a haul here and there, but she had like a huge video about it. And that video just like made me really want Nudestix. So this is it says color highlight bronzer. And this is that glow there. That's very pretty. If you flip it over here, you have the brush for applicator. I kind of hate it when a brush is in the product because it is a lot more difficult to clean that brush. But in a pinch, it is nice to have that just sitting in your bag. So this is beautiful. It is in the color Bubbly Baby. I love that. But not only do we get one Nudestix product, this one's valued at $32. We got a second Nudestix product. So this Nudestix is in the color Nude 06, and this is their lip glass. This is also going in a giveaway. I am sure that it has an ingredient that I cannot use or will not use, but how pretty is this? I'm gonna probably put this in an Instagram giveaway because we just hit 1,000 on Instagram and I just shipped that giveaway out. And I was just so excited because it's so much, like there were only 22 entries. When I'm doing a giveaway here, there's like 200 entries. When I'm doing a giveaway over there and there's only 22 entries, that's kind of like cute, right? So I do want to save a couple things for giveaways over there. I think I will use the P.Louise for my 4K, and then we'll save the nude stick for an Instagram giveaway. So again, another reason to follow me on Instagram. They describe this color as a dusty rose, and this is a $28 retail value. I feel like that's pricey for a lip product, but not too pricey. That's like good for a quality lip product. Last but not least, we have a product from Becca Cosmetics. It's their Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow. I am pretty excited about this because it's glittery and shiny, and we all know that I love glittery and shiny anything. So this side we have kind of like a burnt brown color, like a little bit of orange in it, and then we have this beautiful gold shimmer on this side. So let's do that over on this hand. Topper. Oh, it's way less orange on the skin. It pulls a little bit more red on the skin. It's still brown, but it has a little bit more of a red undertone than orange. In here, it looks a little more pumpkin. Doing this with my left hand is not easy. I did not think this through, but we put all the skincare on the other hand. Those, my dear, are the two gorgeous colors, and then the highlighter right there. So that is our makeup products. I love that this is like 2-in-1, just like quickly do one side or the other. And this product has a $26 value. So I know for a fact that Becca Nudestix, because I've purchased them before, Boscia and Glow Recipe are all cruelty-free. I did look up P.Louise, and I have used this in the past, but it was before I went cruelty-free, so I was never looking for that before. And there are a couple sites that say yes, they are cruelty-free, but they're not the official sites that I usually go to. It is a UK-based brand, so it is a little bit harder for me to find that information. And there were a couple websites that said, yes, this is a cruelty-free brand, that are not in my trusted websites, but I don't know why they would put that information out there, and they're two different sites. So I do believe it probably is cruelty-free, but there is nothing on here that says that for sure. So if anyone has any additional information on whether they're cruelty-free or not, please leave that in the comments down below. But overall, I do believe this box is probably 100% cruelty-free. And we also got a card from Glow Recipe, and legit they are saying before and after 1 day of use. So I'm gonna do that on my Instagram. I'm gonna do the Glow Recipe. I'm posting this either Friday or Saturday. So if I post it on Saturday, I will do this on Monday, Labor Day. I will use this AM, PM, and then Tuesday we'll do a naked face the whole time, AM, PM next day. Because they're saying you should see a difference in 1 day just based on their before and after picture. It literally says after 1 day. So I am very intrigued and I'm really excited. Again, follow me on Instagram. There's so many reasons to follow me on Instagram. All those retail values, I mentioned them as we were unboxing, brings the total retail value of my box $193. And I paid $63. I think that's a great deal. There are a couple items that I won't use. I'm gonna put them in giveaways because I trust the quality. I always trust that I'm getting premium cream of the crop when I order a Trendmood box. So I do really love that about this box. I imagine that cannot be easy to get that at a low enough rate to give us a good deal. Somehow she still does it, and I am always very happy with my purchase. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Comments help my videos out a lot, so even if you're just saying like, I love that lipstick shade, or what a pretty highlighter, you're really helping a girl out. So make sure you comment something down below, which was your favorite product, or would you buy this box? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!